Did you know that avocados are packed with over 20 essential nutrients? This creamy superfood does it all. It supports heart health, improves gut health, and even enhances nutrient absorption from other foods. Whether you're a fan of avocado toast or just enjoy its rich, buttery texture, this versatile fruit is far more than a trendy food. We're going to explore the science-backed benefits of avocados, uncover some surprising perks you may not know about, and share easy ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. If you've ever wondered why avocados are hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, keep watching. First, let's look at what a serving size of an avocado looks like. You might think it would be the entire fruit. However, a single serving of avocado is typically considered to be 1/3 of a medium avocado, which is about 50 grams or roughly 80 calories. This portion provides a healthy dose of heart-friendly fats, fiber, and essential nutrients without going overboard on calories. While avocados are incredibly nutritious, moderation is key. Most health experts recommend eating up to 1 avocado per day, divided into smaller servings, depending on your dietary needs and calorie goals. This allows you to enjoy their benefits while maintaining a balanced diet. Now let's dive in and break down the incredible benefits of avocados. Heart health. Avocados are a heart health superstar. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which is the same type of beneficial fat found in olive oil. These fats help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, while simultaneously raising HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, which helps clear excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. In addition to their fat content, avocados are rich in potassium, providing about 15% of the daily recommended intake in just 1 avocado, which helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and relaxing blood vessels. But that's not all. Avocados also contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, and folate, a B vitamin essential for heart health and proper cell function. A 2022 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association even found that eating 2 or more servings of avocado per week was associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. These findings highlight how incorporating avocados into your diet can play a crucial role in keeping your heart healthy and strong. Weight management. Despite their high calorie content, avocados can actually help with weight management. The secret lies in their fiber and healthy fat content. 1 medium avocado contains about 14 grams of fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. This can reduce snacking and help you control calorie intake throughout the day. Moreover, the fats in avocados are metabolized differently than unhealthy fats, providing long-lasting energy without causing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. The healthy fats in avocados can improve insulin sensitivity and blood glucose regulation. Studies have even shown that people who eat avocados regularly tend to have lower body weights and smaller waist circumferences compared to those who don't. Gut health. Avocados are an excellent source of prebiotic fiber, which serves as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. By feeding your gut's microbiome with prebiotic fiber, avocados can improve digestion, improve nutrient absorption, reduce bloating, help with mood regulation, support your immune system, and support overall well-being. The combination of soluble and insoluble fiber in avocados further promotes gut health by keeping digestion smooth and regular, while also nurturing your gut's microbiome. This gut-friendly benefit is just one more reason to embrace avocados. Bone health. Avocados contribute to bone health in several ways. They are a good source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in calcium metabolism and bone mineralization. Adequate vitamin K intake has been associated with improved bone density and a reduced risk of fractures. Avocados also contain magnesium and potassium, both of which are essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones. Including avocados in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support long-term bone health. Cancer prevention. Avocados are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which may play a role in reducing the risk of certain cancers. They contain compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin, along with vitamin C and E, that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 factors linked to cancer development. Avocados also have unique compounds called avocation B, which studies suggest may help fight cancer cells by inhibiting their growth while leaving healthy cells unharmed. While more research is needed, adding avocados to your diet could be a step towards supporting your body's natural defenses against cancer. Eye health. Avocados are one of the best dietary sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that play a critical role in maintaining eye health. These carotenoids accumulate in the retina, where they help filter harmful blue light and protect against oxidative damage. Consuming foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin has been linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two common eye conditions. The healthy fats in avocados also help increase the absorption of these carotenoids from other foods, further boosting their benefits for eye health. Skin benefits. The fats and antioxidants in avocados do wonders for your skin. Monounsaturated fats keep your skin hydrated and supple, helping to reduce dryness and flakiness. Meanwhile, antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C work together to protect your skin from free radical damage, which can accelerate aging. Vitamin C also plays a key role in collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Adding avocados to your diet may even reduce inflammation, potentially improving conditions like acne and eczema. Nutrient absorption. One of the most fascinating benefits of avocados is their ability to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins require fat to be absorbed by the body, and the healthy fats in avocados provide the perfect delivery system. For example, pairing avocado with a salad rich in leafy greens and carrots can significantly increase the absorption of vitamin A and other carotenoids. This means that eating avocados not only boosts your intake of nutrients, but also amplifies the nutritional value of other healthy foods in your meal. Some simple ways to add this amazing fruit into your diet are: spread avocado on whole grain toast for a quick, nutrient-dense breakfast. Add sliced avocado to sandwiches in place of mayonnaise for a creamy, nutritious boost. Toss sliced or cubed avocado into your salads for a boost of healthy fats. The rich, nutty flavor pairs perfectly with greens and vegetables. Blend avocado to your smoothies for a velvety texture without the need for added sugars. It's a perfect way to make your smoothie more satisfying and nutrient-packed. One of my favorites is a chocolate avocado smoothie. To make this amazing smoothie, blend 1.5 cups unsweetened vanilla almond milk, half of an avocado pitted and scooped out, 1 frozen banana, 2 tablespoons raw cacao or cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon honey. Avocados are an incredible addition to your diet. From supporting heart health and aiding weight management to improving your skin, gut health, and nutrient absorption, the benefits are undeniable. But remember, even superfoods should be enjoyed in moderation. Avocados can be part of a healthy diet, but you should consider your overall diet and not just focus on avocados. Share your favorite way to enjoy avocados in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.